Hi students, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. In last class, we completed electromeric effect. Now see the next effect, mesomeric effect. It's very simple. See the definition. The permanent polarization of a group conjugated with a pi bond or a set of alternate pi bonds. Then delocalization of pi electrons takes place. This type of pi electrons delocalization in a conjugated system is called mesomeric effect. So a group attached to the conjugated system, then pi electrons delocalization occurs, that is mesomeric effect. Now what is conjugated system? Conjugate system. Conjugate system means the arrangement of sigma bond and pi bond in alternate positions. The arrangement of sigma and pi bond in alternate positions is called conjugate system. Example, but 1,3 diene. Okay, see this 1, 2, 3, 4. First position, 1, 2, and third position. So this is an example for conjugate system. But 1,3 diene. Double bond, single bond, double bond. In this way, in the alternate positions, sigma and pi bonds are there. This is pi bond, sigma bond, pi bond, like this. Arrangement is present, then we can say it is a conjugate system. So to this conjugate system, any group is attached, then pi electrons delocalization takes place. This effect is called mesomeric effect. Due to this mesomeric effect, the electron donating or electron withdrawing nature of this substituent is nothing but mesomeric effect. This mesomeric effect is due to resonance. Mesomeric effect is the electron donating or electron withdrawing nature of this substituent due to resonance. That means resonance is the mechanism by which mesomeric effect occurs. So through a mechanism mesomeric effect occurs. That mechanism is called resonance. Here pi electrons delocalization takes place due to mesomeric effect and forms various resonance structures. So from this we can conclude mesomeric effect occurs through a mechanism called resonance. This mesomeric effect, just like inductive and electromeric effect, is of two types. First one is plus M effect. A group or atom is said to have plus M effect, means the delocalization of pi electrons takes place away from that group. If in a molecule the delocalization of the electrons takes place away from a particular group, then that group said to have plus M effect. Example for plus I groups, OH, OR, NH2, NHR, NR2, SR, like this. These groups can exhibit plus I effect. See the compounds. All these are plus I group, plus M groups. Positive mesomeric effect. OH, double bond. Now this OH having lone pair of electrons. These electron pair are shifted to this pi bond, shifted here, this pi bond shifted here, then we can get this type of structure. Positive charge developed on the oxygen by donation of electrons, double bond, double bond, here negative charge is developed. In this way, this group donates the lone pair of electrons to the conjugated system. These pi electrons undergo delocalization. Delocalization means electrons are moved between the adjacent atoms. That type of movement of pi electrons is called delocalization. Generally, pi electrons only undergo delocalization in mesomeric effect. So here, due to this electron donating nature, this OH group, pi movement delocalization of electrons takes place away from this group. So this group exhibit plus M effect. Now, phenols are less acidic than alcohols. Phenols are less acidic than alcohols because in phenols, resonance structures are possible. What is phenol? OH group attached to benzene ring, that is called phenol. In this compound, this OH exhibit plus M effect. This oxygen donate electron pair to this benzene ring, then charge shifting takes place. Pi electrons are delocalized in this way. This bond becomes double bond. Oxygen acquires positive charge. These pi electrons are shifted to this negative charge developed here. And in the next step, this type of delocalization of pi electrons takes place. These are resonance structures for phenol. So if we practice, we can write without any mistake. And finally, these electrons are shifted here, then we can get oxygen, this one. So say this. So in this compound, what happens? Breaking of this OH bond is easy, then we can say its acidic nature is more, but due to the mesomeric effect of this OH group, lone pair of electrons involved in the delocalization of pi electrons in this phenol group. So because of this, charge separation takes place. Say this: positive charge, negative charge, positive, negative, positive, negative. In this way, charge separation takes place. Due to the involvement of lone pair of electrons present on the oxygen in resonance formation, this OH bond is not that much polar as compared to alcohols. So breaking of this bond becomes difficult than alcohols. Hence, phenols are less acidic than alcohols. And in stability order, if we see stability order, phenoxide ion is more stable than phenol. Say this: after donating H plus ion, remaining part is called phenoxide ion. This phenoxide ion also exhibit resonance. See the resonance structures for phenoxide ion. C6H5 oxygen having negative charge. This electron pair shifted here, these pi electrons delocalized in this manner. Here also we can get double bond. Now this pi negative charge shifted here, then we can get 5 resonance structures. Again here, this is 4th resonance structure. Finally, electron shifting delocalization takes place in this manner. So if we observe these two types of resonance structures, these are resonance structures for phenol, resonance structures for phenoxide ion. Here negative charge is delocalized. Negative charge is shifted on the adjacent atoms, whereas in this case, charge separation is there. So based on resonance rules, this phenol having less stability than phenoxide ion. This phenoxide ion having more stability. Next, basicity of aniline is less than ammonia, less than aliphatic amine. Say this. So basicity order RNH2 greater than NH3 greater than aniline. In aniline also we can observe resonance structures. So NH2 group attached to the benzene ring, that is called aniline. In this aniline, nitrogen atom having lone pair of electrons, this lone pair shifted to attracted by benzene ring, then we can observe these type of resonance structures. Here also 5 types of resonance structures are possible. So these are the 5 types. So due to the involvement of lone pair of electrons in the delocalization of pi electrons, aniline having less basic nature than ammonia and than aliphatic amine. Okay, so in this way lone pair of electrons are involved in the resonance structures, so its basic nature less than ammonia and less than aliphatic amine. Next, minus M effect. Minus M effect means delocalization of pi electrons takes place towards a particular group, then that group is said to have minus M effect, negative mesomeric effect. Example for negative mesomeric effect, listen once again. The delocalization of pi electrons takes place towards that group, then that group is said to have minus M effect. Example, CHO, C double bond O, C triple bond N, like this. See this structure, benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde means CHO group attached to the benzene ring. In this, these pi electrons are shifted to more electronegative oxygen atom. These pi electrons are shifted here. Then we can get these type of resonance structures. Double bond, oxygen acquires negative charge, here positive charge. Then we can get 5 types of resonance structures here also. H, oxygen, and fourth one is this one. So finally electron delocalization takes place in this way. Then we can get this final structure. Okay, so this is minus M effect in aromatic compounds. Now ortho position and meta position becomes electron deficient centers. So here in case of plus M effect, ortho position, para position become electron rich centers. So plus M groups are ortho, para directors. Minus M groups are meta directors towards electrophilic substitution reactions. Remember this sentence. Plus M groups are ortho, para directors. Minus M groups are meta directors towards electrophilic substitution reactions. In this ortho, para positions, electron rich centers. So electrophilic substitution takes place at these positions. Here ortho, para positions becomes electron deficient. That means compared to these two, meta position having more electron density. So electrophile is substituted at this position. Okay, students, will meet you in the next class.